So if you are a big fan of make money online type of videos, you should have come upon these extraordinary kind of people who are constantly trying to make you rich, or else these business gurus on the internet. So in this video, I'm going to talk about their businesses and the courses they are going to sell you, and to make it a bit fun, let's give them a rating out of 10. I know this video is going to bring a lot of hate, but just keep calm. Watch this, enjoy, and educate yourselves. First on the list, we have the one and only Iman Gadzi. At this point, it is clear that Iman has been able to build a dedicated army of 15-year-old entrepreneur wannabes around him. Iman is literally everywhere, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and many people say that he inspires them. I too believe that he inspires people, but the only problem is the way he makes his bread, which is mostly done by selling the world's most expensive courses he has. I don't know how it feels for you, but every time I watch a YouTube video of him, rather than feeling motivated, I feel really frustrated and worried because most of his videos are actually VSLs, video sales letters, and are mostly filled with uplifting bot comments. He claims to make his millions from Sema agency and selling his ultra-expensive courses, which costs thousands of dollars to join. But the only problem is that he will quit his agency in 2023. So the problem is, if a company brings you millions, will you quit it? Let's rate him a solid 5.5. Secondly, we have the multimillionaire who came out of nowhere and started giving extra-wise speeches and advice. Well, he is Luke Belmar. Born in Argentina and later moved to America, he claims to make his money initially from dropshipping and multiplying those earnings by investing in crypto. Of course, he also has his own private community capital club, which gives you access to his mentorship along with many others. Let's rate him a solid 7. Next stop, Jordan Welch. This dude also made his money through dropshipping, and he's also been in the YouTube game for a long period of time. Bro is able to network with every e-commerce millionaire out there. Just take a look at his videos. So if you become a millionaire, he's going to come for you. Even if you live on Mars, he will reach out to you to create an insanely valuable video with you. Jordan also has his own course, which is Viral Vault, and charges $67 per month to join. Let's rate him an 8 out of 10. Next stop, Ali Abdaal. Ali is a doctor who later turned to a YouTuber. He does his best to make you the most productive human being on earth with his YouTube videos. Ali generally drops interesting videos packed with value and experience. He also has his course, which is the part-time YouTube Academy, and costs a whopping $2,000. Let's rate him a solid 7.5. Next, we have the upcoming TikTok guru, Musa. Yes, he is the guy appearing on your TikTok, claiming that he makes $20,000 while still being in his parents' basement. This guy used to be the editor of Sneeko, and he also appears on some of the top G's course videos as a tutor. He is the guy who created this type of split-screen video, which is now everywhere. Man, I don't know why I also had to buy his course in the TikTok monetization course due to his skill in sales and marketing. Well, even though he is able to make thousands of dollars from split screens, most of his students haven't had the chance yet to see that much breed from TikTok. So let's rate him a solid 5. If you have never seen this side hustler guy who says that you can earn thousands from these types of things, you are losing out. Welcome to the world of Joshua Mayo. This man started popping up on my YT homepage with his so-called side hustles. Just watching his videos makes me always have the question, why the fudge he looks angry? Is he worried about doing all these side hustles that make $4,000 per day? I have no idea why people actually need to watch his pointless side hustle videos that pay you $500 per hour. This guy, of course, has his own course, which is Pro YouTuber, and costs $400 to join. Let's rate him a solid 5. Last but not least, we have the one and only handsome, sexy, rich, jacked, and bald, Bugatti-owning trillionaire Andrew Tate. Actually, at this point, even aliens know about him and his course, where he teaches everything literally, from breathing air to dropshipping, which goes by the name Hustlers University and costs $50 a month to join. Despite some of his weird ideologies, Top G is very wise and drops some serious practical tips to level up your life. Let's rate him a solid 69. Abracadabra, see you later.